Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the red LED light on your LG Smart TV. First, grab your remote, turn on TV. Now press the setting button and scroll to all settings. In all settings, go to General, then find and select System. Under System, there's an option named Additional Settings. Click on that to find more options. Look for Standby Light. It's usually on by default. Simply switch it to Off to activate the red LED light. Now let's test it. Turn off your TV. If done right, you'll see the red LED light off. That means it's working. And that's it. Quick and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Everything channel. Got questions? Comment below and I'll respond to all. Thanks for watching.